Hi everyone, welcome back to iProp1, and today in true IKEA fashion, we're going to put together this study table slash office table that we just bought for our home. This study table is a mix and match of a tabletop and 4 legs, where before buying you can choose from different style, color and material. You have to buy the legs individually. So there are 4 legs here. You have to buy the 4 legs separately, and each leg comes with their own joint or connector to put the table and legs together to make the table into a 4-legged table. Seeing that the legs are extendable, it is a good feature. The legs can go to as short as a minimum height of 60 cm or to a maximum height fully extended to 90 cm. And so this is what it's like, the table after the installation. The table is very long. You have a lot of space to put your laptop, monitor and also some space for your printer and drawers. And the table is also quite deep, so you can still put in a short cabinet under the table. So to get this table also, you can use my referral link in the description below to order online. And with that, if you found value from this tutorial, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this in the home and living series. And with that, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.